Hi and welcome to another unboxing and first impressions. Today we're unboxing a debut model from what's called Vulcanica Watches. They come from Italy and they sent me their first model called Efesto. So let's open this rather large box to see how the watch actually looks. Okay, there we go. You can get the watch in the pre-order phase and soon they'll be launching on Kickstarter. So let's open this big one. Inside we have it wrapped rather well. We have some protection. We're gonna move all that away. Okay, so this will require again using our blade, but let's try not to damage the box underneath. There we go. And here it is, the outer box, which actually looks quite premium. Oh, look at it. It's an imitation of a wood box, or is it a real wood box? It is quite heavy. Very cool. It has this felt material underneath. Let me just drop the camera slightly and open it. Inside you have this like fake leather material. Here's the bracelet in a bag, a pillow, a massive pillow, very soft. And here is the watch on the said pillow. Okay, so let's take it off of it. Move this away and zoom in. So here it is, the Vulcanica Efesto. A watch inspired by volcanoes, sorry. My accent kind of gets in the way. It's powered by the Seiko NH35, but without a date. It comes with a sapphire crystal, a ceramic bezel insert, and a stainless steel case. In this model, the case itself is 40 millimeters in diameter by 46.5 lug to lug. So very short lug to lug considering the diameter of the case. So it should wear well on my 6.7 inch wrist. This model, as you can see, this is the Volcano in the back. It comes with a closed case back. This is on a leather strap, but they also sent the optional bracelet. So if you get this on the strap in the pre-order phase, the price is about 259 euros, which is just under $300. On the bracelet it's 280 something euros, so just over $300. However, if you join their Kickstarter campaign, the price goes slightly up, and then the regular retail price is going to be, I believe, 390 euros, which is about $450. So if you're interested in this watch, definitely check them out in the pre-order phase, because that's when you get the most out of the savings. The watch itself is pretty original. Everything, the case, the bezel, and especially the dial, as it has this like a volcanic rock kind of theme with these cracks where the lava is like trying to get out. Very cool. Let's try the bezel. Very smooth and very easy to turn, but it still has some resistance so that you cannot turn it accidentally. 120 clicks, which are pretty precise. This fogging is on the outside because the watch is cold and we're in a bit of a warm room. Very cool. Hacking, hand winding. And the leather strap is really nice. It has these perforations on the outer black part, while the orange one is underneath. So let's try to put it on my 6.7 inch wrist to see how it looks. But like I said, I believe it's gonna look perfect given the dimensions. Okay, so let's strap it on. I really do like this leather strap. If I had some kind of a vintage chronograph watch, I would definitely put it on. Okay, so this is it on my 6.7 inch wrist, and as you can see, it's not overhanging. It looks pretty much perfect for a diver. Very cool. On the bracelet, it would probably look slightly bigger, but still okay. Very nice. I do like this leather strap. Very cool. Okay, now let's try the loom, and we're gonna call it for the day, because as usual, I will be doing a full detailed review of this after I spend some time with it, with macro shots and everything, and I can't wait to see this dial under macro to see just how well it's made. Look at the hands, they have some beveling and these applied markers are polished. Pretty nice. Okay, let's charge the watch for a few seconds and then we're gonna turn off the light and see how it looks in the dark. Okay, so here it is. Let the camera focus and turn off the lights. And there we go. Oh, I didn't expect this. So you have the blue lume on the hands, the markers, and the bezel. But this lava, it actually comes with orange lume. Now on camera it looks mostly yellow, but in real life it's more orange than yellow. Very nice and very original. It does kind of detract from the readability of the watch, but it is very unique and something I haven't seen before. Very cool. Okay, so that's it. Let's turn back the light. Very original way of applying lume. I actually like what they did here because lava is glowing and they really got that right. Very nice. So like I said, stay tuned for the full review. I hope you enjoyed and found this useful. If you did, please like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.